welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. I got this from Rainbow and it was like buy one get one free or something like that. The original price was $1.99, so I got two colors. So this color is rust red. Ooh, yeah. So it looks like that. So it's kind of like a yeah, that's exactly how it looks in real life, like this. It's kind of like a fall color to me. Oh, this is the color that I have on my lips. I don't know if it's giving me more pink or more of like plum. And it went on really easy. This color is pretty too. The name of this color is Red Berry. So let me open this. This one I haven't opened yet. Okay, y'all, so this is more like a sexy red, I guess. Yeah, it's definitely a red. Okay, so it came off my lips pretty cool or whatever. Like, it wasn't hard to get off at all. I done messed up this one. Hold on, this. So, what I would say about this lipstick is that it is affordable. As you can see, it's pigmented, which is good, lightweight. I like the packaging. Like, I like the way the bottle is shaped. So see, so that's pretty cool. But so they give you that much lipstick. Yeah, I like both of these. That's all for this review. I hope you guys like this video. Tell me which lipstick y'all like the best. I will have pictures somewhere in this video showing you the difference between the colors, because I know with the light and I look really bright today. Like, I think it's because of this pink background, but anyways, talk to y'all later. Bye.